Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So the first one, we select two marbles and we know that we can replace. That means after we select one marble in here, we put this one go back to the post. So that means we have probability. So they want to find the probability that both of them they are red. So we put BR and R. That means we select about the red marble equals to BR multiplied by BR. So the total of this one, that is about 30. 15 plus 10 plus 5, we have 30. So about red, we have 15 red out of 30. And the second one, we select 15 out of 30 because we put one marble from here, go back to the box. That means the total we still have 30. And this is the answer for question A. Question B, we select two marbles without replacements. That means after we select one marble, we still only 29. So that means in this one, we have the blue and the green. So we have B blue multiplied by B green. So in this one, we have 10 blues over 30. But the second one, we just have only 29 because we select one marble in here. And in this one, the green, we have 5. And this is the answer. And the next one, that is about one marble from the blue and yellow. In this one, we have 10 blues out of 30. However, we don't have yellow in here. So that is about 0 over 29. And this is the answer for all the questions in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.